impressive than this guy.
Hi, my name is Jadav Payeng. I am a farmer.
Because this guy, with his bare hands, planted a forest. But first, let me tell you his story from the beginning. Jadav is a 60-year-old farmer. He has a family of 5 and he lives in a modest home in northern India. But next to his home, he saw trees were dying. The river was flooding, the animals were fleeing, and the land was disappearing. He saw deforestation. But instead of doing nothing, this farmer did something very simple. He planted a tree. Every day, he cut a branch from his trees, walked for 20 minutes, took a boat, crossed a river, and walked for 2 hours more to get to an empty piece of land with nothing in it and planted a tree. This is amazing! He did that day after day after day for 3 months a year, year after year, for 40 years, until his trees turned into a forest. A real, green, beautiful forest that went from this to this. It's too good to be true, but we're standing in it. His forest is estimated to be 550 hectares big, which is
Bigger than Central Park in New York.
the trees that he planted are now dropping seeds to the ground, and now they're growing even by themselves. And after many years, animals started showing up at his forest.
Elephant, tiger, rhino, deer.
His forest attracted wildlife and greenery, and it has become possible for him to farm in it and make a living.